How's it going, YouTube? Spec'em Auto is back with another episode of M.A.V. today. Today's going to be a different video. As a matter of fact, what we're doing today is something I wanted to do for the last 5 years, and I kept procrastinating and kept being poor with crappy paying jobs, but you know, in the last like 3 or 4 years, got a good paying job now, well, decent paying job, so I could afford more fun things. And so today we're gonna go get the windows tinted on the Honda Civic LX.
Spec'em Auto is back again. This time you better tell a friend. M.A.V. is where it's at. Max's Auto Vlog. It's a vlog, not a blog. Tell your dog, catch a frog. It's not a slog. Sit on a log and watch Max's Auto Vlog. Max's Auto Vlog. Spec'em Auto, Max's Auto Vlog. Max's Auto Vlog.
So I'm getting ready to leave right now to head up to the Tint shop. It's a place called the Tint Lab by Rabid Customs in Groveport, Ohio. So that's where I'm going to be going to get my windows tinted today. The guy on the email told me it was going to be about $625 to get it done, because I am getting like the top of the line tint. I'm getting the full ceramic, so it's going to be like something crazy, 70-90% heat reduction in the car from the sun. It'll look cool, it'll keep the car cool, and I don't know, I just see a bunch of pluses with it. Right now, I'm on the fence about getting it either 15% or 5%. I don't know yet. Maybe if they have a 10% option, I'll go with 10. I'm definitely getting 5% tint on the strip along the top of the front windshield. That's going to be 5% regardless. It's just all the rest of my windows I'm kind of undecided on. So hopefully they have like some little display or something in their shop that I could look at, so I can kind of make a real determination. So let's go ahead and go there now. Man, I really don't like how this place is so confusing to navigate through. I was completely lost. Took a whole different road that I wasn't even supposed to be at. Had to go back to the main road and go back around again, and pull in, go to end up at this building that says the Credit Factory. Then I'm like, okay. And then there's another sign that points back this way, so I pull back this way, and now we have Rabbit Customs all the way at the very back in this fenced in and restricted looking area. So it's quite interesting. So for those that are planning on coming here to get your fucking car done, make sure you don't take Director Boulevard. Go to Williams Road, because that's where you want to go. Alright, here's a quick glance of what my windows look like now, to get you guys an idea. Not very tinted, because there's no tint. We'll be right back with update. Okay guys, this is my first time walking up to it. Let's check it out. Oh my god. Bro, this thing looks sick as fuck. Bro, hell yeah. Dude, she looks freaking fresh. Oh, dude. Look at those windows, though. Man, they actually did a good job. And they followed my request to cut out around the third brake light, so that's nice. Wow, this thing looks really freaking good, man. It's amazing what tint can do. Let's check it out from inside. Bro, she dark. She dark, dude. Yes, she is dark. Look at those windows. Wow. Dude, that is freaking cool. It's so nice. And I need to leave the windows up for 3 to 5 days so the window tint can cure. And mind you, this car has no air conditioning, so I guess we'll see how that turns out, won't we? Dude, I'm so excited. I am a little disappointed though, not because of the quality of the tint, because they did a phenomenal job. It kind of sucked that I had to wait like almost 5 hours. Anyway guys, sorry about that. My camera kind of cut off, and the weather's been really bad since Tuesday. It's now Sunday, so yeah, it's been 5 days. They told me that the quote for this was going to be around $625, and well, it ended up being $675 plus a $20 credit card fee. So since I paid with a card, I ended up paying a total of $695 for the ceramic tint. That's really the only thing that I'm disappointed with. And I was also a little bit disappointed with the news at first about the windows not being able to be rolled down for the first like 3 to 5 days. This is day number 5 now, and I managed to not roll the windows down at all. I've just been using the cabin fan inside, so I've been doing that, and it's been fine. It's been fine. Sorry, and I've been drinking plenty of water when I'm in the car, so I don't overheat and kill myself. I'm sorry, unalive myself. Anyway, yeah. So it's been raining since Tuesday. And it's actually supposed to keep raining every single day, all day, until Thursday coming up. So well over a week of nothing but rain. Well, the sun finally peeked itself back out today. So I was finally able to start filming this car again and finish this video. But yeah, they did a really good job. It's holding up really well. As you can see, the window tint looks phenomenal, both outside and inside. You just see how really dark that tint is compared to having no tint. It does, in fact, help keep the car cooler inside. It gives you privacy, makes your car look a lot cooler. So, I mean, all in all, it is worth the money. I didn't expect it to be like $700, so I'm very disappointed with that part. And I still have these stupid stickers on here that they put on there. Do not roll down window while the tint cures. I guess I can start taking these stickers out and getting rid of them. But yeah, it's been 5 years that I've had this car. And I couldn't have asked for a vehicle more reliable and just overall more amazing than what this beautiful little car has provided me for the last 5 years. So initially when I bought this car, I paid $4,000 cash out the door. That's after, you know, tax, fees, title transfer, license plate, things like that. And yeah, and 91,000 miles later, she still runs and drives without any hesitation. She still looks good. I mean, you can tell she's aged and wore out in some places in the last 91,000 miles. But, I mean, shit, for a 281,000 mile car, man, she looks sick. I don't know. I have a lot of praise for this thing. I was planning on buying a new car soon, but due to unforeseen issues with my work, I don't know what's gonna happen right now. I'm not gonna get into that stuff right now, but just keep your fingers crossed. Everything will end up being all right for me. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. I'm gonna put up a nice little video and photo collage at the end of the video here, just kind of showing you the car and how it's progressed and changed in the last 5 years. So yeah, enjoyed this 5-year anniversary with me and this whole celebration. Got the new Infinity sound speakers put in there a few weeks ago. Had this window tint put in this week. 5% all around. I was shooting for 15%, but man, the 5 is just so freaking sharp, dude. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to leave a like, share your video with the friends, with family, and most of all, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notified of each video upload in the future. As always, stay safe out there. See y'all later, and happy 5-year anniversary to Shadow for being the best car ever. See ya.
Going to the junkyard, going to let myself unwind. Spec M Auto. Spec M Auto.